Unit 8, IELTS Practice, Listening 1. You are now going to hear a talk about glass recycling.
Glass recycling is now a standard process in many towns and cities of the world. Millions of glass items are used every day, with bottles, jars and light bulbs being among the most common. The process of recycling glass, rather than making it new, saves energy and reduces the amount of waste at landfills. The first step in the process of recycling household glass is to wash the items in warm, soapy water. This is to ensure that there isn't any drink or food left on the glass. Secondly, the jars and bottles are collected by one of two systems, depending on the town or city. In some places, bottles and jars are taken by the general public to bottle banks. Bottle banks are large recycling bins, usually with 3 holes that enable the glass to be separated by colour: clear, brown or green. In other cities, people put their bottles and jars in a container which they leave outside their house on a set day of the week. A truck then comes past and the glass is collected and sorted into different colours by glass collection companies. Thirdly, the glass is taken to a glass plant where the actual recycling process takes place. At the glass plant, one of 2 things can happen. In the first case, the bottles are sterilised and then reused for their original purpose. That is, soft drink bottles are refilled with soft drinks, or jam jars are refilled with jam, and so on. Reusing bottles as they are saves money and saves more energy than the second process. In the second case, the glass is melted down and made into new bottles or other products entirely. First, all of the glass of one colour is placed into a big crushing machine and broken into small pieces. It's important to separate the different types and colours of glass because they have different chemical properties. Then the crushed glass is mixed with amounts of sand, ash and limestone and placed in a furnace to be melted. Finally, most of the melted glass is poured to make new bottles and jars. However, depending on the quality, it can be used to make other products, including floor tiles and fiberglass.